What if going to space wasn't just for the able-bodied? What if the final frontier was truly open to everyone, regardless of physical ability? Well, that future isn't some distant dream, it's happening right now, and it's about to change everything we thought we knew about who gets to go to space. Blue Origin is gearing up for a mission that's more than just another launch. It's a historic flight poised to send the first ever wheelchair user into space, a monumental leap for accessibility in human space exploration. The person at the center of this incredible story is Michaela Benthaus, also known as Michi. She's a German aerospace engineer with a passion for the stars. In 2018, her life took an unexpected turn after a mountain biking accident resulted in a spinal cord injury, and since then she has used a wheelchair. But Michi's determination never wavered. Instead of seeing limitations, she saw new frontiers to conquer. And now she is on the verge of becoming the first person with paraplegia to fly to space aboard Blue Origin's New Shepard rocket. This isn't just any flight. It's New Shepard's 37th mission, and it's carrying a crew of 6 civilian astronauts. Alongside Michi will be aerospace engineer Hans Königsmann and several entrepreneurs and investors, all ready to make their mark on history. The mission is a suborbital flight, which means it will last for about 10 to 12 minutes. It sounds short, but in that time, the crew will experience something truly magical. A few precious moments of weightlessness while gazing down at our beautiful planet from above the Carmine Line. The launch is set to take place from West Texas, and the best part is Blue Origin will be live streaming the entire event. This means we can all tune in and witness this historic moment as it unfolds live. This isn't just a launch, it's a statement. So, why is this single flight so incredibly important? In Michi's own words, this feels like an important step. Space travel for people with disabilities is still in its early days. I hope this inspires a change in mindset across the space industry, and she's absolutely right. For decades, the image of an astronaut has been tied to impossibly strict physical standards. The right stuff meant being a perfect physical specimen, which automatically excluded a huge portion of humanity. People with disabilities were simply not part of the equation. But that old-school thinking is finally starting to crumble. Michi's flight is a powerful symbol of that change. It's also important to know that Michi isn't just flying for herself. She's an ambassador for AstroAccess, a groundbreaking organization dedicated to making space accessible for all. Their mission is to redesign spacecraft and missions from the ground up, ensuring that disabled scientists, veterans, students, and explorers can not only participate but thrive in space environments. They conduct parabolic flights to test accessibility solutions in zero gravity, proving that with the right design and technology, physical limitations on Earth don't have to be limitations in space. This is about universal design reaching for the stars. Think about it. When we design for accessibility, we often end up creating solutions that benefit everyone. Features like ramps, automatic doors, and voice commands were initially created for people with disabilities. But now they make life easier for all of us. The same principle applies to space. By designing spacecraft that can be operated by a person in a wheelchair or by someone with a sensory impairment, we create more robust, user-friendly, and safer systems for every single astronaut. This mission isn't just about sending one person to space. It's about pioneering the technology and the mindset that will allow humanity's future in space to be truly inclusive. Michaela Benthouse's journey is a powerful reminder that our dreams should never be limited by our circumstances. Her flight represents a new vision for space exploration, one where the door is open to anyone with the passion, skill, and courage to venture beyond our world. As we look toward a future where humanity might live and work among the stars, it's essential that this future includes everyone. Space belongs to all of us. And this is a massive step in making that a reality. So, what do you think? Is this the future of space travel? Should we be pushing for even more inclusivity in our exploration of the cosmos? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. I'm really curious to hear what you have to say. Thanks for watching, and if you're inspired by stories from the frontiers of science and space, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. See you next time.